Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter 11, My Elder Brother. This story has been taken from Leo Tolstoy's autobiographical novel Boyhood. It was originally written in Russian but later on translated by C.J. Hakwa. The objectives behind the chapters are analyze the behavior and attitude of the two characters in the story, explain the interpersonal relationships between siblings, and to recognize the importance of forgiveness in relationships and inculcate it in daily behavior. Before we start, let's learn some new words from the chapter. Vanity, excessive pride, anguish, pain or suffering, tormented, physical or mental suffering, impulsive, acting or done without forethought, curious, eager, mania, extreme enthusiasm, sly, having or showing a cunning and deceitful nature, imitate, copy, retorted, say something in answer to a remark, typically in a sharp, angry, or witty manner. Enthusiasm, joy, inherited, derived genetically from one's parents or ancestors, bred, a child, tipped, tilted, scowled, looked in an angry or annoyed way, disgusting, very unpleasant, irresistible, so strong that it can't be stopped, offended, annoyed, scrap, a little bit, pathos, a feeling of pity, stammered, say something with difficulty. Hope these words will enhance your vocabulary. Let's go to the gist of the story. My Elder Brother is a short story about two brothers, how they initially relate to each other, and how a change comes about in their behavior as the story develops. This story is about two brothers, the narrator Nicky and his elder brother Volodya. Initially, they get along quite well, studying and playing together. As they grow up, Nicky starts feeling that Volodya is proud because he believes he is better. Nikki feels quite hurt and thinks that Volodya does not understand his feelings. He resents Volodya's ability to have different hobbies which he is unable to imitate. He describes an incident wherein he breaks Volodya's treasured scent bottle. Nikki realizes that the scent bottle was important for his brother, but he pretends to smile in order to show Volodya that he is not bothered about his brother. As a result, the brothers quarreled and exchanged heated arguments. They pushed and pulled each other. After the incident of the scent bottle, the brothers stopped talking to each other. Nick is very disturbed and feels uncomfortable because he realizes that he is wrong. But Volodya is quite composed and behaves in a normal way. He asks for forgiveness for having upset Nikki. Nikki is touched by Volodya's gesture. With tears in his eyes, he shakes hands with Volodya and feels better. That's all about the chapter. Now, what we have learned from it. The very first point that we have learned is the importance of accepting one's mistakes. We have learned that we may fight with one another, but it is essential we accept our mistakes and apologize. Seeking forgiveness and moving ahead, forgiving other people's mistakes. We have also learned that we must be large hearted like Volodya and forgive others. Forgiveness helps take away the anger and jealousy and heal the hurt. So, the moral of the story is forgiveness is the most effective tool to conquer even the staunchest enemy, as all world religions lay emphasis on the virtue of forgiveness. Thank you.